20 years. Long enough to watch one small idea grow into a world of light. Sammy remembers the early days, when our world was small and the future fit on a single workbench. But teams grew, dreams grew, and so did the light within us. Sammy grew with us, from a simple sketch to the companion who reflects the people behind Suntree. Our home became a 120,000 square metre world built by countless hands and countless moments. People say light is energy, but Sammy believes light is how we lift each other up. We solved challenges side by side, turned late nights into breakthroughs, and carried one shared belief that together we can bring light further. So when we speak of the future, it's not only about technology or scale, but about the people who make Suntree glow from within. 20 years on, Sammy still walks with us, hand in hand, toward the light ahead. Suntree, thank you for shining with us.